Want to add music or audio to your website without paying for expensive hosting? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to embed MP3 files on your website using Google Drive, completely free, secure, and easy to manage. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional audio player running on your site. Let's dive right in. Upload your MP3 file to Google Drive. First, go to your Google Drive and sign in with your account. Click on New, then select File Upload and choose the MP3 file you want to embed. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the file in your drive. Change sharing settings. Right-click the uploaded MP3 file and click Get Link. Under the sharing options, change it from Restricted to Anyone with the Link. This is crucial because your website visitors won't be able to access the file if it's private. Copy the link. We'll need it for the embed code. Generate the embed link. Here's the key part. The link you copied is a view link, but to embed the file, you need the file's direct link. Look for the file ID in the URL. It's the long string of letters and numbers between d/ and view. Copy that ID. Now format it like this. Replace file ID with your copied ID. This is the direct link that will allow your MP3 to play on your website. Add the embed code to your website. Next, go to your website's HTML editor. Wherever you want the audio player to appear, insert this code. Paste your direct Google Drive link in the src attribute. Save the changes and refresh your website. You'll now see a simple built-in audio player where visitors can play your MP3 file instantly. Test and optimize. Finally, test your website on different devices and browsers to ensure the audio works everywhere. If you want a cleaner player or more customization, you can style it with CSS or use a custom player plugin Flickn, but this basic method works for most websites. And that's it! You've just learned how to embed MP3 files on your website using Google Drive. No extra hosting costs, no complicated setups. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more simple web tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.